everybody! I'm here today to show you the right way to merge onto highways and main roads for less traffic. So everybody knows how to merge, and if you don't know how to merge, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video as well. But I'm going to be specifically outlining the right way to merge for less traffic. All right, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I'm going to explain it, then I'm going to demonstrate myself doing it a few times. So first and foremost, you're going to follow the regular lane change procedure when you're going from the merging lane to the driving lane, which is signal, check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror, check your side blind spot. Okay, so those are the safety procedures. Now you're going to look for a gap while you're getting up to the appropriate speed, which would be the flow of traffic or the speed limit. Okay, so essentially I'm going to be driving onto a road that has a speed limit of about 50 kilometers an hour, I believe. The flow of traffic should be about the same. So when I merge, my goal is to get to 50 kilometers an hour before I get into the lane. So I'm going to get to 50 in the merging lane, then I'm going to go over. You want to get up to speed, then move over. And then you want to merge like a zipper style. If you look at the zipper, okay, on my jacket, what happens is the sides interlock. Okay, they go together one after another. So it's like the driving lane is going, you're gonna get someone, you're basically gonna get someone merging in, then a car that was already in that lane, in the driving lane, then someone merges in behind them, then another car, someone merges in, then another car, like a zipper. Okay, and essentially you basically don't want to wait until the last possible moment unless you're sitting in bumper to bumper traffic. That's different. If the traffic is moving, you don't want to wait until the end of the lane, because by merging early on in the lane, you're going to give yourself a lot of space to find that gap. Okay, if you wait till the end of the lane, first of all, I really don't like you, okay, because I don't like people who do that. They wait right till the end of the lane, then they merge in if there's no traffic. Horrible. I don't like it. I know that it might be like the practically a better way, because I've read some arguments about that, but just listen, don't do that, okay? Don't do that. People don't like that. You want to give yourself more room to find that gap, okay? So let's go. I'm actually going to be just driving on a main road, and then I'm going to start in the right lane, and we're going to pretend that the right lane ends and I have to merge into the left lane. So I know it's not technically a merging lane, but we're going to pretend that it is. All right, so let's drive onto the right lane. I have 4 heavy tires in my trunk, so you might hear them banging back and forth. Okay, we're getting up to the speed limit of 50 kilometers an hour. We're at 50 basically. Signal left, rear view mirror left, side mirror left blind spot. I see a gap moving into the left lane like that, and I merged at 52 kilometers an hour. Okay, here's the key. First of all, I merged in front of a car, and the car that was behind me would then merge behind that car that I merged in front of, like a zipper. So you're gonna get one car from the merging lane, one car from the driving lane, one car from the merging lane, one car from the driving lane. Very simple and straightforward, okay? Now what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to be turning onto a side street over here, and I'm going to be merging again on the road. So once again, a key factor here, there are 2 takeaway points that will allow this to be the right way to merge. Okay, first and foremost, you want to get up to speed. Okay, 3 takeaway points actually. First and foremost, get up to speed. Secondly, you want to make sure you merge before the ending of the lane. And thirdly, like a zipper style. If you do those 3 things, if everyone on the road were to do those 3 things, then what would happen is there would be no traffic merging. Now, I will tell you what I see. Ooh, what's that sound? Oh, sorry, I was turning my wheels on snow. It made a really loud, weird sound. But essentially, there's a lot of traffic when cars have to merge for no apparent reason other than people don't know how to merge the right way. And that's why I wanted to make this video. So many times I'm frustrated because I see a lot of people merging the wrong way, and it causes so much traffic and confusion. Okay, merge early in the lane, get up to speed like a zipper. Those 3 things will make sure that you're merging safely, appropriately, and you're not causing any unnecessary traffic. Because let's face it, if there was less traffic, people would be less aggressive on the road, less angry, which would cause fewer accidents. So by doing this, by merging the right way, you're actually causing fewer accidents, and to be honest with you, you're potentially saving lives. Okay, now I'm driving in the merging lane, getting up to speed, okay, signaling left, checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot, and I'm gonna merge like this in front of the person. Okay, now remember, it's your job to find the gap or create the gap. Meaning, I had to accelerate a little bit extra right there because I had to create my own gap. I was driving at the same speed as a person beside me, so I had two options. I could either brake a bit or ease off the gas or accelerate. I chose to accelerate, meaning you have to decide, do you want to accelerate to create the gap or do you want to ease off? And you got to see what makes sense depending on how much space you have in the lane and the whole situation. So with that being said, you have to create your own gap. Don't rely on someone else letting you in. You have to create your own gap. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you the right way to merge onto highways and main roads. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.